Hey guys, Michael from Gimko. Today I'm just going to do a 2-box break of Elite 2014. I've got 2 boxes, so we're going to crack them open and see what we get. So just bear with us while we do this. I'll just move this. Sorry guys, let me just... Okay, alright. Okay, so the 2 boxes. Start off with the first box. So as most of you know, with the Elite product, you get obviously the base set, parallel silvers, parallel gold, Pride and Passions, Master's Apprentice. What else you get? Obviously signatures, World Cup Heroes, and World Cup Heroes parallels. So let's see, we should in this box either get a signature or a World Cup parallel card. So we have a look. So I'll just open a few of them at a time and then we'll go through the cards. For people watching this, if you would interested in purchasing boxes or participating in case breaks or box breaks, as most of you know, on Gimko we have a whole stack load of them. Presently there's a case of Elite, which is team based. So you get to pick your team and you receive all the cards, all the inserts of your chosen team from that case. So any golds, silvers, Master's Apprentice, Pride and Passion, any of those cards that are from your chosen team are all yours from the whole case, just not from a box, from the whole case. So get into that. Should be some good cards pulled in those ones. There's also box breaks of Elite 2014, 2013. There's Dynasty from the select years, Centenary, some Champions boxes, a whole stack of stuff gets busted. So you can participate. So just go to Gimko, www.gimko.com.au, and up the top you'll see a tab which says breaks on it. Just go into there and choose your break. There's also other sports, as in NBA, NFL, and there should be some NFL, AFL should be up there soon as well. So get into it. Alright, that's the first half, so just go through. Okay, so I won't show you the bases, I'll just go through the golds. Okay, first gold, Martin Kennedy, Brisbane Broncos. There's a silver, Ben Hampton, Darcy Lussick silver, base. Pride and Passion, Jared Warrior Hargraves from the Roosters, Greg Inglis Silver. That's it for that one there. Let me just I'm not going to show the base cards, everyone's probably seen them anyway. Josh McGuire Silver, sorry. Roger Tuvashek from the Roosters, Gold. Sam Tompkins Silver. Okay, Bryce Gibbs, Masters Apprentice. Probably a little bit of glare in here, but Gareth Widdop Silver, David Taylor Silver. Okay, here's one of our inserts, the World Cup Heroes. This is the base one. This is Greg Bird, number 3 of 24. Matt Pryor Silver. Michael Jennings Silver. And Glenn Stewart Silver. Jamie Soward Gold. There we go. Alright, so that was the first lot of maps. Okay. Halfway through the first box. So this product has been a real hit with the collectors, especially the World Cup Heroes parallel cards. They're more rare than the signature cards. There's only 80 of them compared to the signature cards where there's over 100 of those for each player. So a lot of people who are busting this product prefer to get a parallel card than a signature card. And I personally think that the signature cards are, sorry, the parallel cards are undervalued presently. I think you'll find in the future the master set collectors, or those trying to complete just that subset, will make those cards in high demand, as there's only 80 of each player, 24 players, whereas you've got 32 signature cards and over 100 of each. So we should have our box hit in your slot. If all goes according to plan. And as I said, either be the signature or the World Cup Hero Parallel card. And so we'll see how we go. Okay. Gold, Pat Richards. Silver, okay. Pride and Passion, Antonio Winstein, Michael Gordon Silver, Patrick Lee Silver. That's it. Okay. Peter Wallace, Pride and Passion. Silver Chris Houston. James Graham Silver. Ray Thompson Gold. Jared Warrior Hargraves Silver. Okay, getting towards the end. Luke Bailey, Master Apprentice. Tate Silver. Sam Tompkins Gold. Nathan Peets Silver. Oh, and our signature card, Greg Bird. Greg Bird, 113 out of 130. So there's, can you see the, let's see if you can see that. Yeah, 113 out of 130. So that Greg Bird also got the World Cup Heroes Greg Bird on that as well. Oops, silver. Greg Inglis Gold. The South Sydney Gold cards are pretty scarce at the moment. Got some guys who are buying them all up, all South Sydney supporters. Adam Reynolds, South. Greg Inglis, Pride and Passion. Brett Morris, Gold. Shame that he's gone to the Dogs. Not very happy, but what can you do? Dane Till Silver. And that's it for that box. Okay, so first box down, we got our first hit. Just show the main hits again. Oops, Greg Bird. It's number 113 out of 130. Greg Bird World Cup Heroes, limited to 250 those. We got our Pride and Passions, Greg Inglis, Peter Wallace, Antonio Winstein, and Jared Warrior Hargraves. Our Master and Apprentice, Luke Bailey and Bryce Gibbs. Should have 8 gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is Brett Morris, Greg Inglis, Brett Morris, Greg Inglis, Sam Tompkins, Ray Thompson, Pat Richards, Jamie Soward, Roger Tuvashek, and Martin Kennedy. And we got our silvers as well, which is 1 per pack. Okay, let's go next box. Okay. Okay. First lot. Alright, so the good thing about this series, or one of the good things I find, is due to the basically you're going to get a signature card or a World Cup hero in your box. So the good thing about this is you can buy loose boxes from sellers and you know you're going to get a hit, whereas in the past you may have only got 1 or 2, a handful of signatures in the case. So what generally would happen would be that the sellers would open them up, and as soon as they got their hit, they'd know that there'd be no more hits in that case, and they'd sell off the boxes. So basically they got their hit, sold off the boxes, and you ended up with nothing. So purchasing an Elite box, you're pretty much guaranteed to get a hit, which is great. Don't know how long ESP will be able to keep that up, having so many signature cards. But at the moment, it's value for money that you're paying for these. First hit, Cooper Cronk, Master Apprentice. Fui Fui Moi Moi, silver. Jason King, gold. Tyson Frizell, silver. Willie Mason, Master Apprentice. That's our Master Apprentice for the box. You normally get 2 in that. Silver, Josh McCrone. Silver, Sione Luis. Sione Lousy. Okay. Nat Miles, gold. Wade Graham, silver. Albert Kelly, silver. The redemption card that you redeem that with the 9 Women of League players. Matt Gillette, silver. Kurt Gidley, gold. Isaac Luke, silver. Glenn Hall, silver. Joseph Parlow, gold. Brett Lawrence, silver. Jared Croker, gold. Chris Lawrence, silver. Kurt Gidley, Pride and Passion. James Maloney, silver. Okay, so that's the first half. So it looks like that redemption card will probably replace one of the Pride and Passions. So you should only get probably three Pride and Passions, Pride and Passion. The redemption card, I've got the 2 Master Apprentice, which is normal, and well, I hope it doesn't replace one of the World Cup Hero cards. Actually, that's what it may even replace. Hopefully not, but I can't remember if that's the allocation. Okay, so last slot, 12. Here we go. Trent Merrin Silver. Jared Hayne, Pride and Passion. Validi Matau, Silver, off to the Seagulls next year. James Seguiaro, Silver. Josh Morris, Gold. Alex Glenn, Silver. Corey Patterson, Silver. Josh Morris, Pride and Passion. David Simmons, Silver. Okay, World Cup hero Boyd Cordner. Trent Hutchinson, Silver. Daniel Holsworth, Gold. Tony Williams, Silver. Cameron Smith, Gold. Joey Lalua, Silver. So hopeful that the signature card is in this batch. Josh Jackson, Josh Wright, okay. Ryan Hinchcliffe, Silver. Whoa, so no signature card, but we got Jonathan Thurston, World Cup Hero Parallel, and that's card 24/24, limited to 80. Happy with that. Suss up. Pride and Passion, Jared Croker, and that's it. So happy with that box. So what did we in the hits on that one? Was the Jonathan Thurston, the Boyd Cordner. We also got the redemption card. So we ended up with four. So we ended up with 4 Pride and Passions. I thought it would have replaced one. Kurt Gidley, Jared Hayne, Josh Morris, Jared Croker. The 2 Master Apprentice, Cooper Cronk and Willie Mason. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now 8 gold. Cameron Smith, Daniel Holsworth, Josh Morris, Jared Croker, Joseph Parlow, Kurt Gidley, Nat Miles, and Jason King, and our silvers as well. Okay, that concludes that. Next that I've got coming up is Centenary. This is from the case break that was on Gimko. These are my two, and they were numbered. That was number 4 in the box, and this one was numbered 5 in the box. So I'll be doing those next. Okay, thanks for joining me on the Elite, and I'll see you shortly for the Centenary. Cheers.